Another one.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use TUTUAPP Pro. And by the way, I just downloaded my TUTUAPP Pro for free using TUTUAPP. You guys can Google TUTUAPP and download it. And then once you get there, you can just search TUTUAPP Pro and you're gonna be able to download it for free. Open your TUTUAPP Pro. So as you can see on my screen, I do have already 2 projects. So let's say I would like to delete these 2 projects that I have done earlier. So what you guys want to do is just select the edit from the top corner at the right and select this delete icon and remove. Delete and remove. Once you're done, just hit the done button here on the top. So to create new project, just click the plus icon here in the left corner. Click create. So here you're gonna be able to choose whatever orientation you like. So once you choose orientation, just click done. So to add a project on your timeline, just click add icon here in the left. So I wanna import video. Once you're done, just click choose here. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys as well on how to create slow zoom effect that a lot of YouTubers do. So what you guys wanna do here is adjust the blue lines to where you wanna effect the start. And double tap the timeline to edit. So from the bottom, just choose one tool at the middle and select plus icon here in the left and choose custom transition. So here you can also adjust the blue lines here to where you want to start again the effect. So you can adjust or zoom in here. So this is how it looks like. Alright, so once you're done, just go back. Select the left arrow from the left side. And hit the check mark. And that's it. That's how you're gonna do the slow zoom effect. And after that, you can export your project into your album or to your camera roll. Click export to album. So here you can export whether high quality, medium quality, or low quality. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be choose low quality. Alright, that's it. I hope this was helpful to you and see you guys on my next video.